Hello, Gengar.
This is how I printed Gengar, the famous Pokemon, in my X1 Carbon new printer. It was an amazing experience, very fast. Took about 12 hours printing 012 resolution. I think that this is actually looks like wood. Do you think? I used some transparent PETG filament. This is the sign with the number of the Pokemon. I hand painted everything except the transparent pieces. This was my first correctly hand painted figure. I did the preparation correctly this time because I was bored the other times. And this is the result. I hope you like it. Like, share, follow and comment if you liked it.